You're about to transform the look of your whole bath with a MirrorMate frame. It's easy. We send you a kit with 4 frame pieces marked top and bottom. Lay them face down and slide something under each corner to protect your frame and floor. It's optional, but to better hide the corner seam, color the upper edges with a coordinating marker. Next, apply the glue to cover both sides of the first corner. You can wipe off any extra later. Insert the flat-capped connector in the outer slot and tap it in. Feel beneath the corner to make sure pieces meet tightly. Now do each corner like this. Next, you'll insert all the small connectors. Now, carefully turn the frame over. Wipe off any glue with a damp cloth and adjust legs if necessary, so heights match. While the glue dries, clean the outside edges of the mirror with rubbing alcohol. No Windex or glass cleaner, please. Now that the glue is dry, have a friend help you test fit the frame to the mirror. Looks good? Now either tilt back or take the frame down. You'll dog-ear all the tape backing toward the center of the frame. You're almost there. Rest the frame on the backsplash with the top angled away from the mirror. Align the frame side to side. Pull off all the tape backing. Finally, push the frame firmly to the mirror along all sides. You're finished. Don't you love it?